how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. This is the second or third one on the day, and today what I have for everyone is another unboxing and first impressions. So this is my unboxing and first impressions of the Bluedio TF2 True Wireless Earbuds. Okay, now let's just jump straight into this first impressions. Let's talk about the packaging first. Talking about the packaging, I have to say Bluedio has yet again done a great job. So you can see up front, we got some company branding and powerful sound with a nice picture of the True Wireless Earbuds. And then we have the model of the buds right here. So this is the TF2. Flipping it to the side, we just got some barcode information here, and they're letting you know scan the barcode with your phone to download the companion Bluedio app for best performance with the earbuds. Alright, flipping it over to the other side, we just got some manufacturer information right here, okay, and a Bluedio sticker, so good stuff. Flipping it to the back, we just got a nice diagram of the buds letting you know where everything is, the charging pins, the LED light, all that good stuff, and the charging port. Okay, and then as always, if you enjoy Bluedio's products, you can follow them across all of these social media right here. Alright, all in all, I have to say I really do like this packaging. Very clean, very straightforward. Everything you need to know is right up front, dead center. So Bluedio did a great job with this packaging. Now let's crack into this box. Okay, and let's see what we're working with. So this looks like the earphones. Now this did come wrapped in a nice bit of plastic, but I already cut all the tapes and seals off camera just to make this as quick and as struggle free as possible. Hashtag no struggles in this one, hopefully. Alright, so here's the headphones. We're going to come back to that in a minute. And this looks like an accessories box. So this might just be our charging cable and our earbud tips. Okay, and then we have our user manual right here, and this does come in multiple languages if I could talk today. Sorry y'all, we're gonna check this out in a little bit. And that's everything that comes in the box. So let's throw the box off to the side. All right, and let's keep it moving here. Okay, so now let's check out the product here. Let's unwrap this, slide this bad boy out, and take it out the plastic. And here we go. So this is the charging case. Nice little bit of company branding on it right there. Good stuff. Alright, and then we have, oh yes, say it with me, USB Type-C. That's what I like to see, y'all. And then inside we have the earbuds themselves. Now I already removed the protective plastic in here and charged them up. So they're actually charged up already. I charged up the case, I charged up the earbuds, and they're ready to go. So that's that. We're going to come back to that in a second. Take this plastic out of here. Okay. And let's look at the accessories box. Okay. Boom. So inside here, looks like we got our ear tips. And we have a flat USB Type-C cable. Good stuff. So USB-A to USB Type-C. Nice flat cable. That's what I like to see. And our ear tips. Looks like we only have one size in here. And nothing else in this box. So let's throw this box off to the side. Alright. Now, real quickly, I just want to see what size ear tips is in here. So let's open this up, just to make sure. I was trying not to struggle on camera, but it looks like it's going to happen today. Alright, so looks like we have a super small in here. And what else we working with? Okay, let's just open this all the way up. Okay, oh, so it's a few different sizes. It's just pushed together. So we got the large, okay, right there, and there's another size on the inside. Wow, Bluedio, I know y'all was trying to save space, but did you have to do it like this? And it just flew away from me. Let me get this. Okay, so we do indeed have various different sizes in here. So we got the larges and we got the smalls. So that means that the mediums are already on the earbuds. So not bad. And one thing to keep in mind, y'all, is that when you're picking up earbuds like this, you definitely need to take the time and find the best fit, because it helps with overall comfort and sound isolation. Okay, so really important that you take the time to find the best fit. So we have the smalls and we have the mediums. My bad, did I say large? My bad. Smalls and mediums. So that means that the larges are already on the earbuds. Okay, let's put this stuff off to the side real quick. And now, before we check out the user manual and bring the video to a close, I just want to showcase the earbuds a little bit here. So taking them out of the charging case, they automatically power on and go into pairing mode, it looks like. Okay, let's take a closer look at the charging case. So again, company branding right there. Charging pins on the inside right here. Show y'all that again. So nice charging pins on the inside. Okay, USB Type-C on this side. Nice little faux aluminum patch right here on the back. This actually looks pretty good, and it's nice and lightweight. Not bad at all. Okay, so not bad. Really nice charging case. Now let's highlight the earbuds real quick. So you can see they're actually super tiny and they're nice and labeled. So we got our charging pins right there. And this is the right earbud, as y'all can see right there. And this is our touch area with our LED lights and our built-in microphone. So good stuff there. That's the right. And here is the left. Okay, that's the left right there. Again, same thing, charging pins. And then if we flip it over, got our LED light and our microphone right there. So good stuff. All in all, I have to say these earbuds look pretty good. Now what I want to do before we walk through the user manual is just try them on real quick and give y'all my first impressions with them in my ears. So let's do that now. Okay, so I believe this one goes this way, I believe. If I'm doing that right. Yeah, it says right, so it goes like that. Alright, I think it goes like that. And this one goes like this. Okay, so they're in my ears now. And let me just jump online real quick and look at the picture real fast, because I want to make sure I put them in properly. Alright. And I did not. So they're supposed to go in sideways, it looks like. Okay, so they go like this. So you're going to put them in your ear sideways like this. Okay. Okay, yeah, that fits much better. So let me change this one. Because I'm looking like it wasn't fitting quite right. So, yeah. There we go. There we go. That feels much better now. That's why the power of the internet. So you can always know if you're doing things properly. Yep. Okay, so now I have them in properly. And first impressions of the overall fit and feel is they actually feel pretty good. I put them in my ears and I can't even feel that they're in there. They just gave me an audible notification that they powered off because they was waiting on me to pair them to my device. But I put them in my ears and I can't even feel them in there. Let me do a quick shake test real fast. Shaking my head real good. They're sliding around a little bit, but they're not falling out. So yeah, that's not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Okay? So shake test, first impressions of the fit. They fit pretty good. Pretty good indeed. Let me take a quick selfie for y'all so y'all can see what they look like. So let me bust out the Pixel 2 XL real fast. Flip to the front facing camera. Turn on portrait mode. Let's do a nice little side profile real fast. Boom. And let me pull this up for y'all. Okay. And this is what they look like in my ears. So really nice, really comfortable fit, decent sound isolation, not bad at all. Okay, so good stuff there. So let me pop them out real quick. Hopefully I wasn't talking too loud, and rest them down. Okay, there we go. But they actually fit and feel quite nice indeed. So some of y'all may be wondering, yo E, why'd you pick up another pair of Bluetooth earbuds? Well, I'm on a quest, guys, to find the perfect set. Okay, y'all know I'm a big fan of the Kim Yui's and the first generation Galaxy Buds, but we're trying to find that package at a cheaper price point. And the price that I was able to pick these up for, 19 bucks, I couldn't say no to that. And for everything that these bad boys are packing, I figured, why not? So they're supposed to have some hi-fi dynamic drivers on board. We're definitely going to put that to the test. They're also packing Bluetooth 5.0. So not the latest and greatest connectivity, but still pretty good. And in terms of the IP rating, I do believe it's an IPX5 or X7 rating that they have here. So that means that they should be good for workouts and all that good stuff. They have a 5 to 6 hour runtime on a single charge, and supposedly it's supposed to take 2 hours to reach a full charge. So that's not bad. That's not bad at all. And the charging case has a 650 milliamp hour battery in it. So that means that I should be able to keep these juiced up for a very long time, because they're advertising 5 hours on a single charge and then an additional 35 hours including the case. So we're going to put that to the test. Okay, and they also have an easy one-step pairing process, but really it's 2 steps, because you open the case, they pair to each other, and then you have to pull out your device, go into the Bluetooth settings, and pair them up from there. So it's actually 2 steps, even though they're advertising 1. Okay, so good stuff there. And yeah, that pretty much highlights some of the key features that really caught my eye. So that IP rating, that battery life, the extended battery life with the case, the size of them, and the USB Type-C. Alright, now that we've got that out the way, let's quickly run through the user manual real fast, and then we're going to wrap this video up. Alright, so jumping into this user manual here, in true Bluedio fashion, it comes in several different languages. Okay, so I do believe it's French, it's Dutch, it's Spanish, it's English, and it's also Chinese and Japanese. So we got several different languages here, as y'all can see, outlining everything that you need to know about the earbuds. Alright, but what I need to know, because I only speak 2 languages, is on the front. So the English, because I only really speak English, bad English by the way, and a little bit of French. Okay, so the English and the French is on the front. So here's what we need to know here. So the connectivity is right there. So let me slide this through the screen so y'all can check it out. Feel free to pause and read up for yourselves. Okay, so that's how to charge them and everything that you need to know right there. And then over here, these are the phone call controls. Alright, good stuff there. And then right here, these are the other specifications. So as I said, Bluetooth 5.0, 5 to 6 hour battery life. My mistake, a 1 hour charge time for the buds and a 2 hour charge time for the case. Okay, good stuff there. We're going to put that to the test. And it also lets you know what to expect when you're charging the buds and what to expect when you're charging the case. Alright, so really clean, really detailed, really straightforward user manual in a bunch of different languages. So let's close this up. And once again, I know you guys and gals like to see the user manual in the unboxing and first impressions, but as I always say, we're going to go through what you need to know in the full review. Alright, so that does it for the user manual, and that, guys and gals, pretty much does it for this video. Alright, I hope everyone enjoyed it, and I hope everyone has a great day. This whole video was recorded using the rear-facing 12 megapixel camera on the Samsung Galaxy S7 Active in 720p resolution at 30 frames per second, and recording all the audio for this video here today. We are using the Movo MA2010 omnidirectional microphone. So as always, please let me know what you think of the overall video quality and the overall audio quality down below in the comments. Your feedback is greatly appreciated. And if you guys and gals enjoyed this video and or you found it helpful in any shape, form, or fashion, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. And if you would like to see more content like this, also feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. Alright? My full review for this one should be out in about 2 weeks from the posting of this video, so y'all be on the lookout for that. Y'all also be on the lookout for my fit and sound demo. All that good stuff. The fit and sound demo and the full review should tell you everything that you need to know about this product here. I hope everyone has a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in the next one. Peace, everybody. We out of here.